All right, here we come to the elevators at the City Hall parking garage here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. They are Dover. They seem to be modified. I found out that they were Dover because there's a little Dover elevator sign up there. Otherwise, they're unmarked. Get a cab view real quick. It's relatively basic. Same on both sides. We got a view out the windows, that's pretty nice, and we are, maybe I can get a video when we're at the top, but we're near a building that's a lot like the old World Trade Center. So we're at elevator 15, go ahead and go up to 6. That's a horrible buzz. Right here, we'll go ahead and come on out for a second. Get you a view of the building. There it is. There's a building that looks a lot like the old World Trade Center. Built by the same architect. So I guess they like their different colors. Let's go ahead and go back down. So here's the view again. Watch the indicator this time. Alright, we'll go for one more ride. It appears that the alarm does not work. Ah, there it goes. ADA compliant phone. I think we can also watch through here. That's pretty cool. And we're good. So here they are. And that's it.